This is gonna be amazing. Are you still trying to run me over, people? Like, what's with this? Nope, they're not trying to run me over. Okay. What? No.
They're still trying to run you over,
what?
Josh.
Oh, it's because of pedestrian war, that's why. They're not trying to run me over. Oh!
Shit.
Oh! Double kill with the chainsaw!
Oh god.
Best decision ever! Chainsaw your face off! I wish there was more things.
Oh my goodness, Josh.
Josh is going mad with power.
What's the customer? Hello, vehicle.
Okay, that's a good one.
Just grab a vehicle. Oh, grab that.
That's a cop car?
Just grab whatever the shit's at the end.
What's on the front? Is that a dead body?
Yeah. It's trying to float away, but no, it's just like,
What is this thing?
I don't know, it's like the shittiest car ever. There's more! Oh, I told you!
Did you like change all the cop cars into this thing?
No, I don't think so. Oh shit, I just jumped into a car. Oh, that guy just got pepper sprayed. Run! I'm like almost dead.
No, you're good.
Noah!